What would the holidays be without a great cocktail? An entertainment expert, Paul Zahn, is here to give us coffee cocktails. Hey! Thank you for coming.
Of course. A day without coffee is like a day without air, right?
And also vodka.
And vodka.
Yes.
Always add vodka.
And always add liquor to the mix.
Right.
Okay, so tell me what we're doing.
Let's start with the coffee. So we have Holland Valley Coffee, which is a craft batch roaster out of Atlanta, Georgia. And they scoured the earth to find the richest soil that yields the best beans. How great do those smell?
Smells really good, right.
So we have 3 different types. We have the Jamaican Blue Mountain, which is their marquee brand, and it has a certification that's super special because it has to be grown in this certain region in Jamaica.
Oh, wow.
Super cool. It's a great gift for the boss, you know.
Yes.
Then we have the Solar, which is double the caffeine. So, you know, during Thanksgiving, if you need to do those dishes and clean the house, do a shot of that. Double shot of that Solar. And then we'll be making our cocktails today with the Holland Valley Coffee Colombian Supremo. So these are all organic and they're trade-free and they're delicious.
Yeah, and it smells great. The beans itself are great. Okay, so what are we gonna do?
So now we're gonna make some cocktails. First up, we're gonna do an Espresso Martini, which is typically made with vodka, but we're gonna make it with gin today.
Gin?
So we have Whitley Neal dry gin. This has hints of juniper. It has some potpourri, lots of spices.
Yes, I smell the spices in it.
So we are doing 2 ounces of this tasty gin. And it has a finish of candied lemon, everything like that. Then we're doing 1 ounce of vanilla syrup. And then obviously we need to give it that kick of that Holland Valley coffee.
There it is.
Right there. And we are going to shake that up.
Okay.
And strain it over a lovely martini glass.
All right, let's go.
Boom, boom, boom. And you could brim this with something like red or green for Christmas, for the holidays,
like a
or something
little
like that.
Would peppermint be in there or no?
I wouldn't do peppermint, but you know, after a few of them, maybe I'd do peppermint. You know, right?
See, I just drink the liquor, Paul. I don't.
Hey,
I'm not
stick
fancy
with me,
with
kid.
it.
Stick with me, kid. You could garnish it with some mint that we have right here.
Let's go ahead. I want you to make it pretty.
There
Beautiful.
you go. Beautiful, right? Next up, we are going to do a Ukrainian.
Oh gosh, that is really good.
It's good.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you going to share?
No.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay,
that's
what's
fine.
next?
Next,
I'll
doing
keep this. You can do whatever you're doing next.
We are doing a Ukrainian coffee, which is made with some vodka from the Ukraine, and this is Nimrov vodka, which is actually the official vodka of the UFC. So
really, the UFC has its own vodka.
They have their own vodka,
as they do.
So if you want to get into some fighting with this, that would work. So we are going to do 1.5 ounce of vodka.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we are going to get some coffee in there. We are going to do.
That's a lot of coffee.
That is a lot of coffee, right? We're going to do like a little splash of about 1 ounce of coffee.
Okay.
Not the whole thing.
Okay, got it.
Then we're going to add some red wine.
What?
Red wine.
Into a vodka cocktail.
Vodka, red wine. Yep.
Okay.
Everything, and then just a splash of simple syrup.
Okay.
Just like that. See, easy. Now we're going to shake this one up.
Okay.
And we're going to be good to go.
All right, let's see.
We're going to strain it over a lovely wine glass. And look at that. Look at that color.
That's beautiful.
And we're going to garnish it with some coffee beans, just like that.
Put one right there at the top.
How's that looking?
Well, I just want to know how it tastes.
And you can get all these coffees at Amazon. You can go to hollandvalleycoffee.com. They're perfect gifts.
That's very good, too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next up, we are going to do a bourbon espresso. So this
I'll give you your vodka. Well, actually, no, I'm going to keep
She's going to keep the vodka.
This is my favorite.
So we are working with 4 Roses bourbon today, which is a great bourbon from Kentucky. It's smooth, it's mellow, it's absolutely delicious. So we are going to do 2 ounces. We're going to really pack a punch. It smells like Kentucky over here. It's yummy. How good is that?
Oh, wow.
And then we're going to do about 1 ounce of Tia Maria coffee liqueur, which is really one of a kind.
Okay.
Pour that in there.
Tia Maria coffee liqueur.
It's yummy.
Got it.
And then we are going to just shake this up.
Really? Just 2 things?
Yeah, 3. It's simple.
Good.
Yep.
Right. Okay.
And then we're going to pour it over the lovely rocks. And this is a riff on the Revolver Cocktail.
Okay.
So, boom. Just like that.
Am I supposed to be mixing liquor? I'm not sure.
I mean, hey, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right?
So whatever.
So why not jump in? How good is that?
That's really good too.
Let me try that one.
That one's really that one's really good.
It's delicious.
It's not. You know, sometimes bourbon gets a little overpowering. This one is not.
Yeah.
It's really
good. And
good.
then if somebody comes over and they do not drink, we have some of the lovely Holland Valley Coffee Solar just on the rocks with a little vanilla syrup, so that way they can have it. I would drink this in the morning, watching TV, reading the news.
Like a nice coffee.
It's a nice coffee.
With like a little bit of a sugar in it.
It's an elevated iced coffee.
Ooh, elevated.
Yeah, because these are fancy coffees.
That's good.
They're good coffees.
No, they're good. And you make a good point that they're really good for a gift, because I'm always like, I mean, and you're an entertainer.
Right.
You know, when you show up to a party, you show up somewhere, you got to bring something.
Right.
And what am I going to bring? Well, that's easy, right?
And these are under $20. The Colombian
Really?
Supremo and the Solar are around $14.99.
Perfect.
Amazon, whatever, you know?
Well, I love these. This one is delish.
I'll take one of each.
I mean, really, I'll take one of each, too.
Hello.
Paul, thank you for coming
Thank
here.
you.
Cheers. Grab your
one.
favorite.
Happy
Thank
holidays.
you for coming.
Cheers.
We'll be right back.